What is your name and where do you stay?
I'm Anchal Gupta and I stay at Chembur, Diamond Garden.
Okay. What is your child's age?
I have two sons. The elder one is 15 and the younger one is 8.
Okay. What were you looking for them?
I was looking at something which is non-academic, something which will bring out their potential and as individuals, something which will nurture a spark of creativity in them.
Okay. So before joining Mphasis, did you consider any other classes?
Yeah, I was looking out, but I found out that everything else was merely another tuition of sorts and was only trying to be a second school to them.
Okay, so why did you choose Mphasis?
Because of its USP, and the teacher here is Krishna Gadia, and I think she has huge experience, and just her way of dealing with children is amazing.
Okay, so based on your experience, two good things you really liked about Mphasis?
She allows creativity to dwell in children, and she is very friendly with kids, yet being firm. She knows how to get her work done, and children, yes, while they love her and they are absolutely comfortable with her, they know they can't mess around with their work. And as well, what I like about here is the exposure that they get here. There is hardly any places where children know how to learn speech and drama and elocution in a formal way. And also she coaches them for the Trinity School of London exams, and I think that's a brilliant exposure for our children at this age, when they are all of just 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, to have an exposure visiting a foreign examiner, giving a test, an exam with a foreign examiner. This is something we never got at our age, and it's not for that certificate or for that piece of paper that we want our children to come here, but it is basically for the overall experience, the overall exposure of learning something, going there, facing foreign examiners. I think that really builds up, the character of the children. And I can state here a personal experience. My elder son here there was selected for by the Seeds of Peace. Seeds of Peace is a US-based not-for-profit organization where they operate in Mumbai, and only 10 children are selected to go there on an all-expense paid trip for a camp in Maine, the US, where there are 250 children from all over the world. Now the selection process was, yes, writing an essay, which again I felt Mphasis played a role because of his creativity and his thinking skills and his English that he learned from here. Then there was an observational day where they had to go through some group discussions. Again, the exposure which he got at Mphasis, I felt must have played a role in him being selected for the next round. And then there was the final round. Out of say, I think 70 children, I think only 20 were selected for going for an interview to the US consulate, and then only the final 10 made it to Maine. And at that 20, the round of that 20 of the personal interview was all done by the US nationals there, which again I felt my son was at an advantage, because for so many years he was taking the Trinity School of London exam, and it was nothing new for him to face a foreign examiner or an interview. So that's what I would recommend to everybody. It's not for the Trinity School of London exam or the piece of paper, that certificate which you should join Mphasis, but is for the overall experience of being well guided and well coached.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay, so can Mphasis do anything better?
Well, don't leave Chembur and go, otherwise our kids won't have any other place to go to.
Okay.
Yeah.
So last question, from the scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate Mphasis? 5 being the highest marks?
Well, can I give it a 10 on 5?
Okay, you want to give full marks?
Yes.
ठीक है. Thank you so much.
Thank you.